is Marcus Andrade, and I couldn't be more excited to be your instructor for this course. But before we dive into the world of trading, let me tell you a little bit about my story. Growing up in a poor country wasn't easy. My parents had to work hard to provide for our family, but despite all the struggles we had, I knew deep inside of me that I would be successful one day. That's why I'm so passionate about trading. For me, trading is so much more than just making money. It's about taking control of your life and creating a better future for yourself. And that's exactly what I want to help you do. So in this class, I'm going to share with you the skill set that completely changed my life. I will show you how I became a successful Forex day trader and how you can do the same. I could show you all the rewards that come with being a successful trader, like the wealth, cars, party, luxury trips, but instead, I want to focus on the process of getting you there. Most courses will only teach you the basics of a strategy, but after failing so many times, I know that having a solid trading plan is the only way for you to get consistently profitable. So that's why I'll be sharing with you our entire trading strategy, including every single setup and entry method we use for our trades. This is the first time that I'm sharing my personal trading strategy, and I can assure you that you won't find a comparable level of detail in any other course out there. You will have a checklist and a whole detailed plan written by me. In the new trading club, you'll find a community of professional traders with a shared mindset and all the resources you need to become a full-time trader. If you have taken other courses before, I know that you reached a point where you didn't know how to react in a certain trading situation. And when you asked for help, you may have been told to follow your plan. But as a beginner, it's unrealistic to expect you to have your own trading plan without first learning the concepts and gaining experience. That's why our course is designed to not only teach you the foundation of trading, but also provide you with a ready-to-trade plan. It took me years of chart analysis to learn what I know. And while it can be challenging to learn on your own, I believe it has given me a unique perspective that I can now pass on to you. Being a successful trader is not just about hard skills. I once heard a phrase that really resonated with me. It said, "To be a better trader, you need to become a better person." It took me a while to fully understand what this means, but I'll do my best to teach you this mindset as well. Trading can be one of the most challenging careers out there, so it's my job to guide you through this journey. In this course, I'll be teaching you how to read the market and understand the factors that separate successful traders from those who struggle. We will also cover the fundamentals of smart trading, technical analysis, multi-time frame reading, and chart mapping. You will also learn about the mindset of a successful trader and how to use it in live market conditions. As you watch the videos, you will see that each topic builds on the last to create a solid foundation for your trading. But remember, trading is more than just showing up at your computer every day. It also involves a daily dedication to self-improvement, including journaling your trades, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and practicing mindfulness. You should start by asking yourself, how is your diet? Are you getting enough sleep every day? Do you meditate before trading? So keep this in mind. Every detail plays a role in your success as a trader. So you should start planning the changes you need to make as soon as possible. Our goal is to provide you with all the tools you need for success, whether that means helping you with clarity on your chart analysis or supporting you with mindset advice. By the end of the course, you should have a comprehensive understanding of day trading and be ready to execute trades following our step-by-step plan. The course will be broken down into different video sections, so I recommend you watching the videos as much as possible. The more you practice, the better you understand how to start doing your own analysis. Trading can be very lonely and boring sometimes. So believe it or not, a lot of losing trades are due to boredom. So make sure to join our club and start engaging with the community. One thing you need to remember is that trading is more complex than we think, and you can't expect to learn everything overnight. My goal with this course was to condense everything that I've learned over the years into short, easy to understand videos. There are plenty of resources out there that make trading seem overly complicated, but I believe in getting you started with live trading as soon as possible. That being said, Discipline and practice are essential for that to happen. We will focus on analyzing the market daily and following our trading plan as consistently as possible. So remember, repetition is key. This course is suitable for both advanced beginners and experienced traders. If you are new to Forex, don't worry. We'll provide you with some resources to help you learn the basics of Forex, such as pips, major trading pairs, how to place a trade, and some other basic stuff. Our main focus will be on the more advanced concepts. That will set you apart as a trader. Trading can be very rewarding, but is also mentally and emotionally challenging. I need you to step into this learning phase with the right mindset. If you're the type of person who likes to take shortcuts and expect things to be handed to you, this course may not be for you. Trading requires hard work and discipline, but the reward for that hard work is the satisfaction of achieving your goals and the freedom that comes with financial independence. After you complete the videos, you will have a better understanding of how to start trading, and you will be one step closer to your financial and time freedom. But you have to remember, the key to success is practice and discipline. So what's up? I'm Marcos Andrade, and this is New Trading Club.